All right, family, welcome back to Mocha Eats TV. Yes, you see this garden soil. It is upside down because guess what? I'm going to show you something. I learned this today. So, see that big old hole right there? See that plastic bag down there? I had to get the associate that was working in the garden shop to help me. Well, he put it in the bag. I couldn't lift this. So, this was at Lowe's and this bag was half price. So when you find these big ginormous holes, that is like gold, family, because it's half the price. So this big bag was a little over $3. Now, we are planting regular plants, not vegetables yet. So in this pot, I'm not sure what type of plant this is, but it is beautiful. So one thing I did learn too, if you did not know, these beads right here, that is fertilizer. So they are to fertilize these plants at the store. This right here are your roots. And it was getting root bound because all the roots are starting to get entangled upon each other. So also in the soil, let me show you. If you see this gray stuff, that's called meal organite. It will not, you can add that to, that's a fertilizer as well. You can add that to any plant and it will not burn. So, let me fill this up to the rim and I'll be back. Now, another tip, family, when you are planting your plant and you put your soil on top, you have to make sure you press that soil down and make this baby like it's going underneath a blanket. And you make sure you press it and get her all warm. If you want to call him a him, good for you. But we're going to get this baby watered, but not right now. Comment below if you know what the name of these plants are. They are beautiful. Very beautiful. Love the colors. All right, family. So here is, I can't pronounce it, but it looks like a whistle. So this is an annual. So what you do with these is you kind of pinch and play with the bottom of it to loosen it up. And then you put it down in the pot. So this little stick here, that's a hibiscus. It's coming back to life. Yes, it is. See them little green wee babies right there? And see, I cut the tips of them, family. I learned that too. See, I don't know nothing about regular plants. I am learning. Now time for the fertilizer. We're going to add some 3/6s that look like that to all of those plants. Alright, so this is how you do this, family. And you're going to spread it all the way around. And then you're going to water. Just like so. Yep, see? Just like that, family. Alright, family, so there's the soil. The gray is the meal organite. Now we're going to mix it up like that. And we're going to put our plant in it. Alright, so remember me saying you break it up? I broke it up, fam. So now I'm going to top it with some more soil. Now here's a very, very, very thick root bound to the old Dusty Miller. So you gotta break it up. I just want to show you, fam. So I added a marigold in there with the Dusty Miller, and now we're gonna fill it to the rim. Alright, this concludes the end of my planting. So if you like this content, go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you'll always be notified when I post. So I will see you in the next video. Peace.